You just told the teacher your leg. That's my problem. That's my problem. No, that's my problem. Why? How are you? I don't think they'll ever learn. Dada made a complaint. The thing is that a bunch of boys in my class have said that one of their friends have broken their leg and they have bunked class actually. And a friend of mine, rather a new boy in school, has gone along with them and I don't think what they're doing is right. I know I feel really bad telling you this and making you in a big fuss about it.
Okay. You're not doing wrong, Alistair. I'll just go and check on them. Just a moment, okay? Let's go.
Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you?
Where are you supposed to be?
In the class.
Why are you all here?
Repeat.
Who gave it to you?
We took it now.
I don't want laughing, please. It's not the first time that you all are in trouble.
No,
Please, I don't want to.
we have been good so long.
No, I don't want another
But
one.
it's really broken. Look.
Don't come to class.
Sorry,
Down.
Come on. Okay, last time. Last time. Last time.
I told you I not coming to class till I get yours.
But we were just playing volleyball.
Yeah, volleyball. Practicing, ma'am.
Practicing. Ma'am, structures.